The so-called Liechtensteinklamm is a canyon and a touristic hotspot in Austria with more than 200,000 visitors each year. The cliffs left and right of the canyon are up to 300 meters high, and in some places the canyon is only 3 meters wide at the bottom. The fact that so many visitors come to see this fantastic place and the exposed rock cliff create a high risk for dangerous rockfall events. In order to protect the visitors, 62 barriers with a total length of 1.2 kilometers and a height up to 6 meters have been installed. We from Trumerschutzbauten are very proud that so many visitors are being protected by our rockfall protection barriers.